Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can change the background of the picture with a green color. You only need the PicsArt application right here. First thing you have to do is just go open your PicsArt application on your phone, wait until the PicsArt application is perfectly open, and the next thing you need to do is just go tap in this plus button, and you just need to find the picture that you want to edit. Let's say I will let you do with this picture. So this picture has this type of background. First, we need to remove the background of this original picture. Take a look on this button features, and then you just need to go swipe in the left side until you got this cut out, and then tap into this cut out tools. The next, you just need to tap into the person, because there will be like a lot of options here. There will be a person's face, auto, clothes, and sky. Tap into the person to just isolate the person's area. The next, you just need to go tap save, and you already got the blank background with this object we have right now. The next, tap into this layers, tap into the background, and you just need to change the background here with the color by tap into this color. Now you just need to tap here, and then you just need to find the green color that you want to get right here. You can just like adjusting this area into the green one, and you just need to go click this checklist button after you got the right color that you want to get. And now you just need to go tap apply, and you're done. Save this video for the final step. That's for this tutorial. If you still have some question, just tap into the comment sections below. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and turn on the notification for the next tutorial.